Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to download and install VLC Media Player in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's get started. Firstly, you need to proceed at the bottom search bar and type for Chrome. Once you have typed it, the best match would appear. Click on Open to continue. You'd be redirected to the Google Chrome browser the moment you've clicked on open. All you need to do is you need to wait until a search bar would be appearing here before we proceed. Once it's here, please tap for VLC Media Player, download for PC. Once you have typed that, please click on enter to proceed and it will be redirected to the result. Okay, so you can see there under Microsoft Store and under Softonic up to down, and you can select any of this. Okay, so I would recommend you also to go with Microsoft since it is one of the most reliable website that you can access to, especially if you want to download any application like for example VLC Media Player in our case. So as you can see, it garnered a lot of stars. It has this 4.5 stars and it has more than 3,000 ratings. So I could see that it's pretty much used. Okay, so it is one of the reliable and safe application that you can use, especially if you want to go streaming or play a media, then you can use this. Okay, so click on download. In my case, I have already downloaded such. In your case, you have to download. You can also view it in store and you can download it there. Okay, so click on download and wait until it will be downloaded. Once done, close the window and proceed to your file explorer and locate where it is being placed to. So you can go with also with C drive your users and your user account and go with downloads and you would be able to see it there. So double tap to it, and the moment you have double tapped it, or user account control would ask you to say yes, simply proceed with yes so that you would be able to proceed to the installation of this VLC media player. So let me just close the window so that we can focus on the installation window. So click on next, and the moment you've clicked on it, you would be able to see an option. Click on next once again to install. Click on next and wait until it will be installed here in your window. So please wait while VLC Media Player is being installed. Okay. So this might take some time. You just have to put a lot of patience since it will be worth it once it is being installed here in our windows. Okay. So here it says completing VLC Media Player. Click on finish to finish the setup and there you have that. You can now bring up your VLC media player and check to try to double tap to check if it's working. So here you can click on media, you can convert or save the video, convert to different file formats. You can also save playlist to file and you can also go streaming. Okay, so that's it. Simply close the window and you're good to go. If you think this video helps, then don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.